Hey guys,
Hello.
welcome to my channel.
I'm back!
He's back!
Yay!
He's only back because you guys wanted another video with him.
Back.
I didn't want him to come back, to be honest.
Back by popular demand, that's how it works.
Yeah.
Popular people demanded it.
The popular people?
That's what it means, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Back by popular demand.
Right.
It's the popular people
Yeah.
demanded it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anyways, today we decided to do grayscale.
Also, I did this all myself.
He did it all by himself!
Most of it.
I hardly even coached you. I mean, I gave you a few
No,
pointers.
you
but-
100% coached me. But you hardly
But
actively
you
did it
did
for
so
me.
good. Please stop and
Please also like and subscribe and click on the bell.
get your hand out of here. It's not painted.
Click on the bell. You should also mention this and that. We're all done with these.
My brushes from Furless! If you'd like to see how we became colorless, then
The colour sucked out of us.
keep watching. We're gonna moisturize
Where do I put this?
over your butt. And now we need to primer. Don't eat it.
I licked it. I didn't eat it.
Let's use this one because it's face-based. It reminds me of you.
Oh, it's a serum.
It's a primer.
Is this the Lunatick serum?
It's a primer.
Oh.
I apologize in advance on behalf of this one.
Hello.
Foundation stick. In 01, it's white. I'm gonna put this on, baby, and then you're gonna put some on, baby.
Baby.
There.
Can I prep something for next? Should I be just putting this on my hair too?
No, your hair's gonna be black.
Okay, so just go.
It doesn't matter if it gets on your hair.
Okay.
So I'm gonna fill in your beard and stuff anyway.
Circle.
I'm using the Pro 4F
I'm about to use the Pro 4F as well.
to buff out my face base.
I'm going to buff out some face base with the Pro 4F. Can I do something with the Pro 6F?
Yeah,
Can I use that?
you can.
What do I do?
This
Sponge it?
one's circular.
Oh my god, it's actually working.
I know, this is nice.
These
Actually.
are very good brushes.
I'm gonna put on some concealer from Colourpop.
Maybe, is this right?
Ew, you're fucking killing me.
I can't do it! I've never been able to do that properly.
Now use this white concealer to just do a little bit more, a little bit of
I
highlight.
saw you do this, so it's just like this. Do lines?
Yeah, you can do lines. You can do whatever you want. Is it really? You look incredibly attractive doing your makeup. I really like it.
No, I look incredibly attractive doing what I think.
I'm gonna start shading my face with the NYX black face and body paint. I'm gonna use the Pro 5F.
This is a good brush. I like this. This is taking a beating with what I just did to it. Alright.
We can do this at the same time.
Okay, cool.
Unless you want me to contour you.
No, I can contour myself. What do I contour with? This stuff.
Yeah, but you want it to do gray, not black, so I dipped in really lightly.
Like that.
I don't think there's anything on your brush.
You're right. You're 100% right. Do that?
Yeah, that should be okay. And then again, with kind of a stippling motion, just to
Stippling.
get the product down. And then you
Stippling.
can kind of blend it out.
Stippling.
No, on your face.
Oh shit, sorry. I should hold it up.
Give me that.
Stippling. Alright, what do I do now?
So, you want to make some cheekbone action?
I feel them when I press on it. My cheeks, they're there.
Okay.
There they are. What happens because I've gone and cocked this up and done that, like thick as hell and that is nothing. Oh, the Pro 4F!
You're so cute. And then once you've blended out, you can grab a little bit more product.
I need to make this one sharper. I need to stipple.
Deepen it. You're going to use your 5F again and you're going to shade your forehead.
Alright, with black?
Yep, just a little bit. Just around the top. Just to give it some definition so you're not just a flat white sheet of paper.
Just with a stippling motion?
You know it, baby.
I think I nailed that.
See? You did. Looks good.
I'm just going to actually, you know what I'm going to do though? I'm going to blend it in here. Now what do I do?
You want to contour your nose?
with Pro 4F again. 5F.
And
Fifth. Pro 5th.
Used to Pro 8E.
So what do I do with this now?
Contour your nose.
Okay, and then you go down there, and then you go down there, and then you put a little bit over there.
It depends on the nose. I'm so impressed with you all the time. I'm just shaving my jawline.
Nailed it.
You're awesome.
Alright, what do I do now?
Wait for me. Can I have your brush that you're using?
Which one? Pro, the
Little
4,
one.
the 5, the 6, the 10?
E.
Pro 8E.
Thank you.
80? It's a Pro 80.
Yeah.
God, my teeth look so yellow.
I know, I don't even want to open my mouth.
Yeah, I suppose they're actually really clean normally. I reckon the next step is settings powder. Is it?
Good job, baby!
This stuff.
No! It's really important. You see where there's all the creasing on your face that's happening? Close your, like, look at your eyelid.
Close your eyes and look at your eyelid.
Open one. Can you close one eye? You see all the creasing?
Mhm.
Where all the products gather? You have to fix all that before you set it.
Okay, so how do I do that with this one?
Yeah. Whatever you feel is real. You want to use a fluffer?
Fluffer.
Use the Pro 3F because it won't move your makeup around as you
Le, toi, if. Ah! Just blop it.
Carefully. Carefully blocking. Ben, you want to be painted gray? You do? I'm ready to set.
Okay, so just go wiggle. Hang on.
That's the wrong lid.
Here's the wrong lid.
This is the NYX Effects set.
NYX Effects.
I would like to use my RCMA powder, but I don't know where it is. You're messy. Make sure to set under your eyes really well. Damn, you look good. It's making this all sheer.
Sheer. Sheer's a good thing, right?
No, it's bad. Look, my skin's showing through the white.
Ban.
Slow down. I just lost almost all the white.
That's my friend Daniel, by the way. He made a mug with his face on it that I carry with me.
Why? All of my white disappeared, so I'm gonna go in and highlight with powder.
Oh my god, I taste like I'm licking my lips and it's really weird.
Oh, look at how chunky this powder is.
What do I do with it? Of course I
I'm
do.
just gonna go in with a little brush.
Okay.
This is what is this? LA Splash pigment called Pierogies? No, Pegasus.
And then what?
I'm gonna, ew, it's not good.
Okay.
I'm full of regret, don't do it.
Now I'm doing it.
I just wanted to make my whites whiter, but... Oh no, that's kind of working.
So wait, I'm really confused. Where do I put this?
Where you want it to be white, so where you would highlight, like under your... my white turned to pink when I used that powder.
Where's the highlight? Where do I put it?
I'm putting it under my eyes.
Yeah, so where I am is good?
Yeah, but just blend it out under your eyes, not just like a line. You might kind of be using a difficult brush.
I need to get my... No, where is it? There it is.
This is incredibly hard to blend.
What, okay, what? No, I just gave up because I'm starting to rub my face off. Oh. This is the first time I've ever done this.
Wow.
Like legit makeup.
You're doing really, really good.
Look at this, look at this highlight. You know what, I'm just going to freestyle it.
Oh yeah, do whatever you want, babe. Just do it good so our pictures are good. Don't fuck it up.
Can you tell me when I've gone too far down the freestyle line? What?
I love you.
Baby, I like that.
That's good.
Yeah.
Just need to blend out your eye stuff a little bit.
With the Pro 2F.
And if it won't blend, then I would say go in with more.
Yeah, and pull it out. You're right. Baby, I love this.
Oh, I love that, babe. You are an artist. I'm not happy with my base. It's so uneven and blotchy and gross. I'm going to go, can I try this?
That one.
First, I'm going to use this one.
Okay, cool.
Hopefully it's not too brown.
Should I use one of these two? Pro 2F?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, which one? That?
Yeah.
How do I pick it up?
You're too strong.
Okay, cool. What do I do now?
I'm using this to make my contour look better.
Should I pinch it?
Also, whoa, I'm so sorry.
Alright, babe.
Using this light gray, I'll just put it above the contour.
I'm going sharp, okay?
Do it, baby.
Sharp, okay.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
It's not going.
No, it's going really well.
Well.
Why?
Eyebrows. This black in this little Hank and Henry thing is the best black ever. It's the best.
It's a wonderful promotion spot. Buy this Hank and Henry thing.
It's an alter ego kit.
Yeah, there we go.
Al Jefe. Fuck off. I just want to try this.
Why are you doing this? Was I supposed to do this?
I was so curious to see what it would look like.
Can I see? Can
yet.
Can I show those and gentlemen at home and see if there's anything? What's that SpongeBob SquarePants thing?
3 hours.
Yeah, that one.
later.
3 hours later. Can you oh, it's really itchy right here. Can you no, I'll move your hand. Ready? Oh, there it is. This is the best scratcher ever. That's. Okay, well, I see what you were doing. You were filling in that part of my beard that doesn't exist. I see. And when you say fill in, do you mean fill like everything in, or just the bits that aren't?
I just want it to be black, so it's grayscale. You're doing so good.
You would think I'd done this before.
Have you?
No.
Tell
I didn't go
the
to secret makeup school so I could impress you when I finally moved back. I
Aww.
didn't actually do.
My under eye looks so dark and sleepy and bad.
Your under eye looks bad. Half my face is different than the other half of my face. Look at this thing. Geometric shapes, multiple colours, closing girlfriend's hand in it.
I just really want my white to be better.
So, okay, let's make this fix.
This is making it better. How about you?
I'm making this so better. Wait, I'm gonna get more.
This white is so much better.
I don't know about you, but I think I just fixed my face.
Yeah, I fixed my face. Turn to me, baby.
I was turning to Jesus, but you obviously interrupted me. Oh my god, look!
You want to shade your eyes, babe?
I'll
do it, you copy me.
Okay, cool.
You need a little guy.
Pro
Same time.
7M. No, too little. Pro
Yeah.
4E?
Yeah. This is the next step on palette. I'm going to use the gray.
That were just syllables you said then. But.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to give our eyes some depth right above your lid. Just going to shade that up at the crease.
Oh.
But that's okay. It's good.
So do I just need to find something darker to put up there?
Yeah. You're good, babe. You can see? Yeah, you're good.
Okay, hang on, let me see.
I'm excited for you to do my makeup.
Look, I matched it.
Attaboy.
What do I do now, oh makeup lady?
You know what you can do while I finish my eyes? You can tell the people at home about our friend.
Oh, so me and this little pumpkin here having a lovely breakfast this morning. And we've been seeing a lot of animals out in the street and stuff like that recently. We looked out the window of the house over in that direction. We saw this rock in the middle of the vacant block and it had a marmot on top of it. And it was really, really cool because he was just sitting there and he was watching us. And this is like 6:30 in the morning, so nothing else was happening. So we were just sitting there watching the marmot and I was cooking breakfast. And then we both had breakfast and the marmot's still there. And we were like, wow, this dude's like really freaking relaxed. And then we saw
chatting to him.
what
are you doing, little marmot?
And I was talking.
Why isn't he out there?
And I was just staring at him like I was some sort of science guy because he didn't run away, which made me think that I was doing something right. He wasn't running away. And then we saw a huge dog in the street, the owner walking up and down. still didn't run away. We're like, damn, this is a really cool mum.
One of us ran out onto the balcony to say hello to the
Yeah,
doggo.
yeah, okay, I may have run out on the balcony to say hello to the doggo by calling it a doggo. We went out there in our pajamas and stared at the dog. And then we still look at the mum, and the mum is still there, and then blah 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 blah. Then an hour later, the mum is still there.
Maybe he's dead.
And we started getting concerned, so we got what loosely passed as clothing on, went out into the street, walked over
to make sure he was alright.
Make sure he was alright. Approached him, and as we approached, the suspicions grew that this was not a marmot. To the point where I walked up into the vacant yard, and it was just a pile of car parts on top of a rock. So me and baby girl have been talking to auto parts all morning.
Oh dear.
Oh, we was talking to auto parts all morning.
I think that the jumbo pencil and the shade milk, we need in both our waterlines. Okay, are you ready?
Alright, put it in my eye, baby.
Highlight shiny. We're gonna use depraved.
Highlight shiny. I want to highlight dull. Airbrush. Thank you. So put on the points.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Okay, put on the points. Oh shit, I put way too much on. And just blow it back high, like that.
No. Wait, what? No. High points. So, whoa, baby. You were just gonna go in.
I was.
Wow.
Oh shit.
So like right here, on the high point of your cheek, where would the sun would naturally hit.
Which is like there.
Where did you put all my brushes?
Oh, I went too hard.
Give me your hand, I need some of this.
I've ruined what I've done, haven't I?
No.
I've come close to ruining it.
It's just really shiny. Let's mix. Let's mix white and black and make it gray.
Okay, cool.
But there you go. Do it yourself.
How do I do that?
Let's use the back of your hand as a palette.
Okay.
Mix it up.
Just put this on.
Yeah, and put them beside each other. Don't put them.
Alright.
I'm gonna do a wing with my NYX Epic ink liner. Any lashes?
What lashes do you want, baby girl?
Big ones. Okay.
That's easy.
Bigger is better. Under your under eye, I think maybe a little bit of gray.
There you go.
I like it.
Cool. Good. Thank you for lying.
No, I do. Hold
Okay,
this.
cool.
You're pretty gray.
I do look great, hey?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I never doubted you, but it actually worked. Baby, it's actually... I love you!
I love you too!
What?
We use some gray to put on some frecks and some black.
Oh, I get how mascara works now.
I love how you say mascara.
Mascara! We just heard someone in the street yelling at someone else in the street to take their headphones off while they were driving. I kind of want to see it. Can I go do that? Alright. Set me. God, that is
I love it.
okay, we're back in a jiffy. With the right clothing on. Ew, my chair's showing.
We're done!
Oh,
That's it!
Yeah,
we're
finished.
gray. We're black and white. And we look awesome. Right? Don't we?
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much for watching!
Welcome, goodbye if you watched it backwards.
Hopefully we will see you in the